table right from number 1 to number 16, right?
Okay.
And now we are going to play a little game. We have few currencies in this mugs. I'm going to show you right here, and you are going to use this currency in a while.
Okay.
And now I have a little prediction here, जो मैंने यहाँ पे लिख कर रखी है पहले से. मैं तुझे नहीं दिखाने वाली. I'm not going to show it to the camera also, and this will make sense once the game is over.
Okay.
Ready? So I'm going to place this prediction right under the mug and make sure कि वो वहीं रहे throughout the game.
Okay.
Alright, let's do this. The rule is कि you will take currency of your choice randomly and place it anywhere on the table. And जिस भी number पे तू कोई भी currency रखेगी, हम उस number के छोड़कर उसकी rows and columns की numbers हटा लेंगे.
Okay.
For example, if you place the currency on 2, right? So we're going to eliminate this, and we're going to eliminate this column.
Okay.
Am I very clear?
Yeah.
Should we begin? So let's do this. Take currency of your choice from the cup
Okay.
and place it anywhere you want.
Okay.
Okay, you've chosen 8, which means we will eliminate 5 and 6 and 7, and we will eliminate 4, 12 and 16. Okay, let's do this one more time. Take currency of your choice and place it. Okay, number 1, that's a good choice, which means we will eliminate 2 and we will eliminate 3 and we will eliminate 9 and 13. You're left with few of the currencies. Okay, got it, which means we are going to eliminate this, 15 and 10. You're only left with the last number.
I'll put it.
You'll still put it. Now we are left with 4 cards on the table, right?
Right.
There is nowhere in the world that I can ever know that you will select these numbers.
True.
Right?
Yeah.
But what if I tell you that actually I have influenced your mind to make these choices? Would you believe me? You wouldn't?
No.
Okay. Why don't you remove the currencies from the table?
Okay.
Okay, let's remove the currency and see what we have in here. Okay, I'll do this for you. Now we have 1, we have 8, we have 11 and we have 14.
Right.
These are the 4 numbers that you have selected.
Okay.
Do you remember the starting of the game? I've given you one prediction
Yeah.
and that's right there,
Yeah.
and I haven't touched it.
Yeah. True.
So I want you to take that out
Okay.
and read the prediction out loud on the camera.
The total will be 34.
So show this to the camera. Why don't you just add the numbers that are there on the table?
Okay.
1 plus 8 is
9.
9. 9 plus 11,
20.
20 plus
14 is 34.
yeah, that is 34.
Oh fuck! Oh shit! Okay.
So this is 34. But
Yeah.
let me give you a very strong reason to tell you that whatever I made you do is coming out of the art of influence.
No, I
And-
disagree. You didn't influence me at all.
Okay, why don't you check the currencies that are there on the table?
Okay, what should I do with this?
Yeah, just add them up.
Okay.
This is 20 plus
Plus
10 is
30.
30.
And we have 2 rupees, 32,
And-
and 2 rupees. 34!
Yeah, you know what, Niharika? Sometimes in life, we do not see things consciously, but our subconscious minds observe everything deeply. So what I've done is I've kind of influenced your mind to think of this total.
Okay.
And I know you're kind of awestruck, but
Yes. I'm confused also.
okay. And I have a very strong reason to make you believe that whatever I've done is purely out of the art of influence.
Okay.
So are you ready for this?
yeah.
You know, every card on the table has a very unique message.
Okay.
सबके पीछे एक unique message मैंने लिखा हुआ है.
Okay.
For example, the cards that you did choose,
Yeah.
all these cards,
Uh-huh.
they have different message on it. It says Parul. Yeah. This is the card that this Kartarpur.
Yeah.
These are the places that you have traveled to: Kashmir, Yule, and Kutch, and Leh. Siachen is the place that you've traveled to. Turtuk, Bhuj, Amritsar, Adi Kailash, and LOC.
LOC.
All the cards are different,
Yeah.
and every card has a unique message. And these are all the places that you've traveled to.
Yeah, true.
But let's see what are the cards that you have chosen for yourself. Okay?
Okay.
This says what? This says at
Oh,
the border. Yeah, so you have chosen your own show.
45 में अगर इनको चूज करती तो
I told you, I
Damn.
kind of influenced you. So everybody follow Niharika on her channel IFE Explorer, because she's doing this amazing project called What's at the Border.
Currently, I'm as confused as my username.
IFE Explorer is a nice name. Yeah.
Please follow this amazing magician and traveler and podcaster.
Thank you so much. I really hope you liked it. So,
yeah, loved it.
ऑलराइट दोस्तों, अगर आपको ऐसी मैजिक वीडियोस देखकर एंटरटेन होना है तो सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड अबाउट एवरी मैजिकल अपडेट. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप मैजिक सीखने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक को क्लिक कीजिए एंड मैजिक कोर्स एक्सेस कीजिए. एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. I'll see you again on every Thursday and Saturday 7 p.m.